Did you know that a minor glitch could jeopardize an entire satellite project? In 1993, the ambitious Globex Supercom, aimed at revolutionizing satellite communications, faced an unexpected hurdle. Engineers discovered a flaw in the satellite's software, causing signal instability. This revelation, during its initial testing phase, sent shockwaves across the tech community, highlighting significant vulnerabilities. As tension rose, a team of specialists worked tirelessly to rectify the issue, preventing a significant setback. This incident not only saved the project, but also prompted crucial advancements in satellite technology, reshaping future developments and ensuring robust communication systems.